My electric bill changed from $250 a month to $12 a month. I'm just as tickled as I can be. I received a call from a young lady from Orbit. She was very professional. She came over. She was very pleasant also. And when she showed me all the diagrams and what my possible savings could be, I was excited about that. When she scheduled the work was done in a timely manner. I had no questions whatsoever about the work, and they left my property as clean as when they first came. If you have the opportunity to get solar panels, immediately go and get it. We're moving into a electronic age as far as vehicles and energy. So you probably need to contact Orbit as soon as possible and do a scheduling appointment. They did an excellent job. I'm very happy with Orbit.